y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to do a grocery haul and clean out the refrigerator. We've just gotten back from the store. I've started dinner and I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got from the grocery store. I don't have it set out. I'm going to kind of just wing it and pull it out of the bag and show you what I got. I have a meeting on Wednesday night. I have a church group meeting and I'm cooking for that, so some of this will go for that dinner. Other stuff is just kind of random stuff that we picked up at the store that we needed. Okay, all my Walmart bags are on the floor, so I'm just going to pick everything up, show you what I got, set it down, and then I'll put it up. Salami for snacking. Thompson sausage. I know a lot of people love Conecuh sausage. If you have it, I don't know if it's all over. I know it's in the South, but we prefer Thompson's. It's really good. Got bread cheese or baked cheese. This is so delicious. It's the first time I've seen it at Walmart, so I had to grab some. But we cook it. I can put it in the air fryer. I cut it up in like slices and put it in the air fryer, and it's like cheese sticks. It's so delicious. Some extra sharp cheddar. My daughter wanted to try this Gouda cheese. I got 2 boxes of the gnocchi. I'm making a gnocchi soup for my church group. And 2 more of the bread cheese. 2 pizzas. My daughter wanted to try the Philly cheesesteak pizza, and then just a typical cheese pizza for the other. We have a pretty busy week ahead, so this will be easy dinner one night. Paper plates for the win because we're busy, and less dishes. Dishwasher liquid. And toilet bowl cleaner. Big jug of vinegar. I've been using it a lot for cleaning. Some baby spinach. Some cut carrots. And celery, which will all go in my soup for church. Chips for tacos. Orange juice. And I got 2 of these Kettle and Fire chicken broth. That is my favorite store-bought chicken broth. A little bottle of ranch. These Simple Mills Pop'ems, those are pretty good. I splurged and got Funfetti cupcakes and some Funfetti frosting. I thought that would be a fun little treat for the kids. Bread. I love this Dave's Killer Bread. Some soft shell tortillas for tacos tonight. A scrub brush. I've been wanting one of these to scrub the bathtubs with so I don't break my back. And some cute little Halloween wrappers for the cupcakes. A new little scrubber for the kitchen. And my daughter needed a couple things. She got these little cotton rounds so that for her face, and then some little face cleaner for her. And that does it for everything we got at Walmart tonight.
Doing things
things a little bit different in today's video. So as you saw, I started with our grocery haul. I wanted to go ahead and just share what I got with you. And then I needed to clean out the refrigerator. So rather than waiting till the next day, I wanted to get it cleaned out before I put all the groceries away. So I went ahead and started cleaning it out, and it kind of turned into a deep clean, but it was much needed. You'll see here that some stuff has dripped all through it on the bottom of the refrigerator. I don't know what it was, like some meat had dripped. It was so gross. So anyways, I got the refrigerator all cleaned out and got the groceries put away. Okay, that's going to wrap up today's video. The fridge was definitely a mess, and I'm so thankful to have it all cleaned out and organized now. I hope this gives you a little motivation or encouragement to tackle something in your own home. I know this was a little different than my typical videos, but I really appreciate you hanging out with me this afternoon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.